Hello and welcome to Go Smoke Free's Buyer's Guide to e-liquid. When purchasing e-liquid, the three main factors that you want to consider are the flavour, obviously, the PG and VG levels of the e-liquid, and the nicotine content of the e-liquid. The two main components of any e-liquid are PG and VG. PG, or propylene glycol, is a thin, tasteless liquid that we associate with the throat hit. VG, or vegetable glycerin, is a thick, syrupy, sweet-tasting liquid more associated with vapour production and the big clouds associated with that. Remember though, not all e-liquids will work with all devices. Next, we come on to the throat hit. Throat hit is the sensation of the vapour hitting the back of the throat, similar to the sensation given off by smoking. The higher the level of PG in your e-liquid, the higher the level of the throat hit. For a strong hit, you want to be looking around the 50 to 70% PG range, and a vaping device used between 5 and 15 watts with a reduced airflow. My top tip here is a mint or menthol flavour will give you a stronger throat hit. For a smooth hit, you want to be looking at around 70% plus VG level. This, in combination with a higher wattage device and lower resistance atomizer, or sub-ohm, will mean thicker, denser clouds, and at the same time you'll also want to reduce the level of nicotine. My top tip here is to go for a sweeter, fruity flavour. In recent times, another alternative has come to the market, in the form of nicotine salts. Nicotine salts, or nic salts, are the same form of nicotine as are found in tobacco. Usually, e-liquids contain freebase nicotine, which is derived using acid. This means that nic salts have a much lower pH level, meaning that they can have a higher concentration of nicotine without the usual harsh effects that we'd associate with that. It also means that it's absorbed into the bloodstream quicker, so it more closely mirrors the nicotine hit we'd associate with smoking. Finally, the type of e-liquid that you use is also determined by the type of device that you're going to be using. For a higher PG level, you'll want an MTL device, also known as a mouth-to-lung. For a higher VG level e-liquid, you'll want a sub-ohm or DTL, direct-to-lung device. With a mouth-to-lung, you use this by taking a draw like a cigarette and then inhaling into the lungs. Whereas for a direct-to-lung device, you inhale the vapour directly into your lungs before exhaling. Go check out Go Smoke Free's huge range of e-liquids today. There's something to suit everybody's vaping needs and budget.